Car subwoofers are indeed a valuable addition to any audio system, as they offer deep and robust bass that enhances the overall listening experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked for a relaxing drive, car subwoofers elevate the audio quality and add excitement to every journey. The Scar Audio SDR12D4 12 inches 1200 watt max power dual 4-ohm car subwoofer stands out as a powerful and top-quality choice for car audio enthusiasts. Boasting a peak power output of 1,200 watts, this subwoofer delivers deep and clear bass, significantly enhancing any music listening experience. The dual 4-ohm voice coils offer versatile wiring options and compatibility with a wide range of amplifiers, providing flexibility in installation and setup. Moreover, its durable construction and high-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance and reliability, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking to upgrade their car's sound system to achieve exceptional audio quality. The Rockville RV8 2A 800-watt dual 8 inches car subwoofer enclosure plus mono amplifier plus amp kit offers an all-in-one solution for enhancing your car audio system. Featuring dual 8 inches subwoofers, this system delivers powerful and clear bass that elevates your listening experience. The included amplifier and amp kit ensure optimal performance and easy installation. Crafted from high-quality materials, the enclosure is designed to fit seamlessly into most vehicles, providing a sleek and professional look. Whether you're a music enthusiast or simply looking to upgrade your car audio, the Rockville RV8 2A offers a perfect solution. The Boss Audio Systems CXX8 8-inch car subwoofer delivers a powerful punch with its maximum power output of 600 watts. Featuring a single 4-ohm voice coil and easy mounting, this subwoofer is an excellent choice for car audio enthusiasts seeking to enhance their sound system. Sold individually, this 8-inch SVC subwoofer is sure to impress with its impressive bass and high-quality sound, making it a standout addition to any car audio setup. The Planet Audio P8 is a high-performance under-seat-powered car subwoofer that delivers a punch with its 800-watt output and built-in amplifier. This compact and low-profile subwoofer is ideal for trucks, boxes, and enclosures, providing powerful bass in a space-saving design. With its remote subwoofer control, you can conveniently adjust the bass to your liking, ensuring the perfect sound for your preferences. Made with high-quality materials and easy to install, the P8 is a fantastic addition to any car audio system, offering enhanced audio performance without sacrificing space or convenience. The YANKA Soda 10ASW 480W 10-inch compact underseat subwoofer is an excellent addition to any car, truck, or Jeep audio system. Its slim design and built-in amp allow it to easily fit under your seat without occupying much space. Despite its compact size, the 10-inch subwoofer delivers deep bass and clear sound, catering to music lovers and audiophiles alike. Installation is a breeze with all the necessary wiring included, making it a convenient choice for those looking to upgrade their car's sound system without investing a significant amount of time and money. The MTX Audio RT8PT universal-powered subwoofer enclosure is a compact yet powerful addition to any car audio system. Featuring an 8-inch woofer and a built-in amplifier, this subwoofer delivers deep and rich bass that brings your music to life. Crafted from durable materials, the enclosure is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use and is compatible with a variety of vehicle models. Whether you're a music enthusiast or simply seeking to enhance your car's sound system, the MTX Audio RT8PT stands out for its ease of use and high-quality sound.